And then my mic wasn't turned up. That's why you can't hear me. There we go. Now you can hear me. So let me repeat what I just said. We have had a interesting day in the markets. Yesterday we have had Oracle earnings and we have had Adobe earnings. Federal Reserve cutting rates, and go away. Go away, little cat. So we're going to go over the earnings. I did a deep dive video on Adobe and on Oracle. Both of these videos are going to come out later later today. Now, the Federal Reserve did cut interest rate. They were hawkish on the view. They don't know how they're going to cut and how much they're going to cut interest rates. Next year, the market sold off a little bit. Actually, the market rallied. The sell-off happened after Oracle reported earnings, which was good but awful. So S&P came down, touched today. These are the future markets. I need to remove these green lines. Touched the 21-day moving average, bounced off of it. But I do think we're going to open up on the negative today. Also, Dow Jones rallying actually, and the Russell also rallying. Let me sneeze. Allergies against the Dow Jones and Russell, it seems. Now let's move to the Wix. Wix, calm down once more. This is interesting. This is really interesting because I would expect the Wix to bounce off of this again, and I think we're going to have a little bit of sell-off today. The dollar went down as expected. Now oil having a massive sell-off. Really good for my strangle. Should you be selling down here oil puts? Of course you should, because I don't think it's going to go underneath of 55. But be careful. Not financial advice. Take care of it. The same thing, natural gas selling off, but sadly, not gold, but silver. Silver still up, still up. Please, silver, come down. Come on, come down. I have two credit spreads sold again, verticals. Yeah, verticals sold against silver, so I'm bleeding there. Gold making gold doesn't know what wants to do. Does it want to go higher? Does it want to go lower? I wouldn't touch gold right now. Either it comes down or it goes up. Either ways, wait for it to do something. Until then, don't touch it. Also, Bitcoin had a bit of a sell-off. This is good. I think I'm going to take down my call today. 1 day, 2 day. Should I wait for the third day? Nah, I would not wait for the third day. Let me see how Bitcoin opens, and I'm going to close my call. I'm selling calls against Bitcoin. Okay. Same thing for Ethereum. Should this be or is this a good buying opportunity for Ethereum and Bitcoin? Yes, but be careful. This could still come down here. But beautiful support zone down here between 2,700 and 2,200 for Ethereum. Also, Bitcoin, going back to Bitcoin, it's in one here. Come on, zoom out. So between the 87 and 80-ish, 78 zone, I would gladly add some more Bitcoin shares. Actually, I did add some more Bitcoin shares back here for the long term, I mean. Okay, let's go to ORCL. Oracle reported earnings. Once again, want to see the complete deep dive on Oracle. Check out my video. It's going to come out in a couple of hours. So actually, this is not up here. You see the yellow line? That's where Oracle is. Sold down almost 11%, 196 currently. It was at 198 at the point at which I made the video. So still selling off. Had okayish earnings, as you can see here, but a bit of surprise on the revenue. Not that much as expected. Still, they were up, and just check out the video. I'm going in more details, and what you should also, what my opinion is, what we should do with Oracle stock. Now, Adobe, on the other hand, also had a really good earnings and just stayed there. Did almost nothing. It's going to open a little bit negative. Man, Adobe, has sold off so strong here that I think it's at its resistance. It's going to bounce higher if it will manage to break out of it, break out of this. Let's see, 315 and almost 400 range. 400 will be the moment where everybody will turn bullish, and there we're good to go. So I think till the next earnings, with a couple of caveats there, which is going to be in March. January, February, March. So in 3 months. Actually, yes, in 3 months. I have an idea. Okay. Oh, well, leaps, of course. Leaps on, but you need the buying power. Let's see what they would cost. Let's go to Adobe. ADBE. Let's see trades. January, July would almost go out 2027, 15th of January, 400 days. Let's see here. Ooh, you need a lot of money. Just that I thought. So I wouldn't buy the 58 delta. I would still, yeah, 1 standard deviation. The 87 delta, but would cost you 150. Yep, $15,000 it would cost you. So leaps are here not that attractive. Wow, that's a lot of money. But you can then sell monthly calls against it. So even if I would do something like this, reduce my leap with 15,000 to $14,428, because I'm already getting as a credit this 545. But selling leaps against this, man, if you have the buying power, this is such a good trade setup. You could sell monthly calls against your leap, against your bought call. And if you do this, let's just think about it. So you have 12. Let's just say you would get each time a 500. Okay, so a 5 for 12, that's $66,000 in 1 year. If it goes slightly up, so sideways and slightly up, and ends, so that would be 365 plus the plus 2 more months or 3 more months, you would be some, yeah, plus let's just say plus 2 more months. So you would be somewhere with 7,000 bucks. Yeah, I'm right. So 7,000 bucks, because you would sell 14,500. Just estimating, okay? So 14 times 500, meaning you would end up with $7,000 plus the price appreciation. Now, if, okay, let's just say if in 1 year, Adobe goes from current lows and reaches previous highs, all-time highs, that's, let's just say 300. Let's say the difference would be $300. Let's go to the chain again. So $300 from, this would mean it would go, let's just show you quickly some. So it would go 300 from here. So adding 300 to this would be 500. Don't even have it on. You make a lot of money. Because you need to take now the difference between this and the 500 here. These two, 21 minus 1. Wow. 13,000 bucks plus the 7,000, 20,000 bucks almost. But you need the buying power. Okay? That's the problem here. Alrighty then. So that's it for me today. Check out my video on Adobe and on Oracle coming out later on today. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm Manhart Norbert, and I build and protect wealth.